Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, and both of these lines are, that's where they're coming from. And wow, did both of these lines definitely play a role in today's movement. So if you took anything that really I talked about in yesterday's video, then congratulations, you should have had some profitable trades. But both these levels, believe it or not, still 100% pertain to Friday's movement and, how, or at least for me personally, what I'll be watching on Friday, just from a little bit different angle. And the first different angle comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So I talked about quite a bit about this 68.50 mark as an area of support. And you can see that when it was broken, that just caused that much more of a further movement to the downside. Now, to be fair and give credit's due, the price did bounce, and we'll get to where it bounced from in just a second. But upon the bounce, and you can see after all afternoon long, the price just can never get back above 68.50. So that's definitely going to be the main breakout point that lots of people, again, myself included, are going to be watching. Meaning if the price can, consolidate out, work its way up here, and get a break of 68.50, don't get me wrong, no such thing as a guarantee. But my point here is it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that if the price can get the break up through that level, that could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So continue to watch 68.50 very closely. And then on the flip side of things, I made the comment about, where it bounced, and we'll get to that. But check out where the break of 68.50 bounced. Right off that other green line of support that I talked about in yesterday's video. So in other words, there are going to be so many people, so many, watching $67, myself included, mainly the shorts, watching and waiting. And again, no such thing as a guarantee. But from a rational standpoint, from a valid thought process, it is to think that if the price gets down there and breaks through 67, that could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So 68.50 main breakout area, 67 main breakdown level. So let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.